mogul, rapper, producer, and entrepreneur, P. Diddy, Puff Daddy, Sean Combs, is known for making money and his signature dance moves, of course. In 2003, he introduced his Ciroc brand vodka to the world, proving that he is larger than just the world of music. In 2018, the brand notorious for vodka introduced Ciroc French Brandy. And I thought, hey, what would wings taste like if they were made with this? Well, it's Super Bowl time. It's time to get those wings out. It's time to get those great recipes. Today, we're going to be making a recipe called Diddy Wings. Take that. With Ciroc Brandy. And this is going to make a great sauce for our wings. So, let's get down to work. Take a shot before you do that too. Okay, let's get our fresh wings out. Going with some salt, some pepper, paprika, garlic powder, ground ginger, coriander, and ground cinnamon. Give that a nice mix until it's evenly coated. Now, there's a couple ways to make good wings. You can put them in the oven. You can deep fry them. But me, I'm going to go into the air fryer for 25 minutes. And I'm going to switch those racks around the halfway point. You can see we have a lot of ingredients for the sauce that we're going to make. The Sriracha, of course, orange juice, Sriracha. But I'm going to go through each one of these as I add them into the pot. And we get everything mixing. And if you want the measurements, you can see them right below. Of course, we're going to start out with the Ciroc. It's going with 3/4 of a cup of Ciroc. And we'll hit it with a little bit more Ciroc at the end. Now bring that to a boil. Let some of that alcohol cook off before you start adding things. You want to add your soy sauce in. You want to add your orange juice, vinegar, dash of Worcestershire sauce, a dash of liquid smoke, Sriracha, as much as you want for the kick, adding your maple syrup, butter, golden brown mustard, put a little bit of ketchup in there, and then 3/4 cup of brown sugar and 2 cloves of garlic. You want to just go ahead and give that a good mix, and then bring that thing up to a boil. Once it's boiling, we're just going to let it do its thing on a medium heat for 20 to 30 minutes until it gets sticky and sweet. Once it's done, we're just going to let this sit for 20 minutes. We're going to allow the sugar to thicken up, and we'll have a sticky, sweet sauce that we want. Let's get these fresh wings out of the air fryer. And then we want to add just a touch more Ciroc to get that flavor. Toss in your chicken. And let's just evenly coat that. Put these on a pan, go back into the oven for 3 minutes on a low broil. And there you have it, the Diddy wings. Invite your family, invite your friends over for the game, and just have a great time. Impress them with your cooking skills and this great wing recipe that you have. I guarantee there will be none left. It's fair to say that these are some of the best wings that you're going to taste. So when you bite into them, it makes you want to.
I've been through, y'all got drama, the saga continues. We ain't going nowhere. We ain't going nowhere. We can't be stopped now, cause it's bad boy for life. We ain't going nowhere. We ain't going nowhere. now.